There's no instance in which this would be considered justice.
Laura Bayuner is still trying to understand how her client could have gotten lost in the Dallas County criminal justice system for 7 months. He was only in on a misdemeanor criminal trespass case and wasn't even convicted of the crime. The Dallas County District Attorney's Office says a clerk failed to follow procedure. As a result, the wheels of the criminal justice system never even got rolling.
If your system is such that people are getting lost and serving more than the max jail time, even on one offense, it's just not acceptable.
He was arrested here at the Garland Dart Station on June 21st. He was booked in, he was arraigned, and then nothing happened on his case for 203 days. He was not appointed an attorney, and he was not set for a court date.
He had spoken to members of the Sheriff's Department staff, deputies from the Sheriff's Department, and said, you know, what's going on here? I've been in jail for a very, very long time.
She says those pleas went unheeded.
We have over 1,000 officers that work in the jail system. Somebody would have listened to him if he actually was telling people that he was in here too long.
Finally, as he sat in jail, the inmate wrote a letter to the public defender's office, triggering Bayuner's appointment to the case.
He was desperate. He, hadn't heard anything, wasn't sure what was going on, and had no way of knowing when or if he was going to be getting out of jail.
Unless we get an order from the court or other document that says he is to be released, our standard operating procedure is to detain him here in the jail.
He was released January 9th, more than 200 days after he was incarcerated, for an offense punishable by a maximum of 180 days by state law.
He was happy with the outcome, but he was clearly very frustrated.
It came a little late, but the DA's office did dismiss the charge. They say they've also put in place new safeguards to prevent it from happening again.